Hello and welcome to the Concise Open Roads mobile application training session. The Concise mobile application can be downloaded from iOS and Android by visiting the App Store or the Play Store, and it is a free download. The application can be used by both drivers and other office staff to collect information about packages such as POD, pickup, possession, clock in and clock out times, and miles by drivers. Before you can log into the application, you have to first create user accounts in your Concise dashboard under User Management. Users that are created are entered in the application to sign in. Both the username, the password, and in the middle box, the company ID. The company ID is the first portion of the URL of your dashboard before the .concise.io. Once you sign into the application, at the bottom you'll notice two main navigation buttons, Home and Time and Miles. Time and miles can be used by drivers to clock in by specifying a route or driver number, and at the end of the shift they'll clock out and supply their total miles for the day. On the Home button we have three main options: POD, pickup, and possession. We'll start with POD. PODing a package requires you to enter in all the information that is being requested on the screen. Tracking number can be manually entered by hand, or you can press the barcode button to begin scanning a barcode. Recipient name is also required, and something a little bit different about our mobile application is that we don't preload any manifests, which means there's no instructions that already exist on the driver's phone at the time they POD a package. To circumvent this, we include a View Instructions button, which when pressed searches the Concise database for the tracking number that was scanned and presents the instructions on the screen if it finds any. In this case, there are none. Next, we select the media type, both picture signature and recording can individually be selected. You'll notice after you collect the picture, it shows a thumbnail down below. You can also reset the media if you've decided you want to take a different type of media. So I've reset it, and now I can collect a signature. The screen auto rotates for collecting a proper signature sideways, and then readjusts the image thumbnail down below back to correct. I'll reset the media again, and this time select recording. Open Roads is the only application that allows drivers to collect an audio recording of the person collecting the package. This is useful when signatures don't always get the job done. Test, test, test. I'm signing for this package. And we can save that, and that recording will be available online when you or your customer tracks this package. They can play that media back. The last item that's required is a success or exception code. As you can see, there are many here to choose from. Success codes indicate who you were successfully able to deliver the package to, and exception codes are when you can't deliver the package and you must identify what the problem was. The last step is to submit, and very quickly submits the package. We'll go back to pickup. Very similar to PODing. The difference here is that we're going to specify pieces and weight. And again, we can collect our media type, we also allow entering a reference number. A reference number is useful when you want to link the pickup that you're performing with the delivery that you may have just performed at the same location. And the last home item is possession scanning. We can identify any route number we want that wants to do possession scanning. It could differ from the driver that's logged in. If it is the same, we can enter that number in and begin scanning. You'll notice that it immediately tells you if it's been submitted. Every time I hover over, my phone is actually vibrating. I can feel that every time it picks up the barcode. It's very rapid. All you need to do is hover over. And I'll even pick up a longer barcode. And each one of those scans will equal a possession scan, which will send to our servers the route that was doing the scanning, along with every one of the tracking numbers that we picked up and the date and time that the event occurred. The last thing we can show is the clock out portion. If you're utilizing this functionality within our application, the driver would specify total miles at the end of his shift and clock out.